Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tours. And in this video, I'm just brought the apps. It's called Imgur, Funny Memes, and GIF Maker. Okay, so this is a really popular app around the world. So you can see here. This is called Imgur. So you should go to Google Play Store and App Store. It is available and to store. Okay. So if we check that 4.3 ratings and 210k reviews and 49 MB size of this app and 10 million people already downloaded this app. So this is really good app. It's one kind of hosting. If someone post a picture and they just upload it Imgur and they just post it on the Reddit. So okay, we are just gonna see and check about this app filled with images, GIFs, fun pics, viral videos, and a meme generator. So you will get here trending images, funny pics, and viral videos also. So we are just gonna check when this app released, and you can see release on 2 April 2013. So it's almost 10 years ago, and they updated their app daily basis, so it's really good figure. We just check the reviews, what people say about this app. So we'll check 5 ratings. It means positive review. I mean, it's literally like having infinite free cloud media storage. I already mentioned that this is one kind of cloud media storage that comes with really streamlined tools for easily embedding your media anywhere else on the internet. Super useful for making a personal website. And although it has started to get plagued by American politics, it's still less than what one see on the other platform. So everyone say that it's really good. It's one kind of a free cloud storage. So you can upload your image, video, anything, and then you can share this around across the all other site like Reddit, Tumblr, Facebook, and anywhere. Okay, we just see what people say about negative mindset. Here you can see I love Imgur. I use it all the time and I have a borderline addiction to it. However, the phone app is beyond garbage. So this person is talking about this app. They're not talking about the website. Okay, I have literally had it crash sometimes back to back within 15 seconds of starting it up. This has been an ongoing issue for years. Do yourself a favor and just use the website on a PC Mac. Okay, garbage interface immediately went back to the website. Okay, so it means people say that this app is not user friendly or not looking good. Constant crashes, freezes, and errors have been a staple of this app for years. So it's one kind of there is some problem. Okay, I got message saying that I would have to update it. Although, so you can use this. Overall, you can see there are some problem. It's happen for every apps. 4.3 ratings is good when we consider or when we see some app that the reviews more than 4.2, then we consider that the app is really good. And 210,000 people reviews or read something about this app. And upcoming tutorial I will show you how to use this app and how it works. So please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.